Are you looking to make some extra money in 2025 without giving up your day job? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 16 flexible side jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home or on your own schedule. Whether you're looking for something part-time or a gig that fits around your life, these ideas will help you boost your income with minimal effort. Stick around, because some of these might surprise you. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on tips to improve your financial life. Today, we're diving into 16 flexible side jobs that will help you earn extra money in 2025. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or just someone looking for a way to boost their income, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Freelance writing first up. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, this is a great side hustle. You can write blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media content for businesses. The beauty of freelance writing is that you can work from anywhere, and you set your own rates. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are perfect places to get started. Graphic design. If you're creative and know your way around design software, graphic design could be your thing. Whether it's logos, social media posts, or even website design, businesses are always looking for fresh designs. Platforms like 99 Designs and Canva for beginners are great places to start. Online tutoring. Another great flexible side job. Online tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, there are plenty of platforms where you can teach students. Websites like VipKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg are great for connecting with students around the world. Social media management. Do you love scrolling through social media? Why not get paid to do it? As a social media manager, you'll help businesses create content, schedule posts, and interact with their audiences. If you're good with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, this could be a perfect side job. Virtual assistant. If you're organized and have administrative skills, you can work as a virtual assistant. VAS help businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, customer service, and more. You can find work as a virtual assistant through platforms like Belay, Time, etc., or directly by networking with businesses that need help. Data entry jobs. Data entry jobs are also a great side hustle. They typically require minimal experience, and you can do the work from your own home. You might be entering information into spreadsheets or databases. Look for 16 flexible side jobs you can do in 2025 to earn extra money. The best side hustles in 2025. 16 ways to make extra cash. Earn extra money in 2025 with these 16 flexible side jobs. 16 side jobs you can do from home in 2025. Top 16 side hustles to boost your income in 2025.